Hi everyone, this is Group 23. Today we are going to talk about the research question, how does enterprise architecture support artificial intelligence involve digital transformation in the manufacturing industry? We will first introduce the background information and three key terms. Then we will discuss findings from literature review, including how EA support digital transformation, other supportive factors, benefits of adopting AI, and potential challenges. Lastly, three recommendations are given. We also extracted the existing limitation in our research study. Now, let's dive into the background information. What's the development of disruptive technologies? All walks of life have been affected to varying degrees. A typical example is manufacturing industry. The manufacturing industry has a long and wealth history. It was first developed in the Great Britain. This industry makes mass production of goods. Efficiency in production of goods is really important to enable enterprise to gain their competitive advantages and achieve differentiation. To ensure continuous development, digital transformation is the new trend in the manufacturing industry, which refers to integrating digital technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, the Internet of Things, into different aspects of the manufacturing industry. By embracing digital transformation, the manufacturing industry is able to rectify the current or existing industrial problems. So here are the three key terms in relation to our research study. The first one is digital transformation. It refers to adopting digital technology to alter an enterprise, such as shared data assets and improve data utilization, leading value creation, performance optimization. For manufacturing companies, it is really crucial to invest in digital transformation to achieve Industry 4.0. The second one is artificial intelligence. AI is one of the buzzwords currently. It refers to the disruptive technologies using computers to perform tasks simulating and extending human intelligence. AI is also a critical technology for manufacturing in the era of Industry 4.0. It can handle large amounts of data efficiently and accurately. The third one is enterprise architecture. Enterprise architecture is structure and holistic framework to articulating the various aspects of an enterprise. When EA integrates with business, it will define business objectives, data requirements, and analyze the enterprise current and future state architecture.
Now, let's talk about our literature review and related result discussion. To address the research question we posed, we conducted an extensive literature review, identifying 11 academic articles. Through this process, we believe that each article offers valuable perspectives on different aspects of our research question. Our examination and evaluation of the literature have provided us with valuable insight into ways in which EA can facilitate AI-involved digital transformation. We have also identified the benefits that AI can bring to the manufacturing industry, as well as the potential challenges and other important factors that require attention. So, the research question will be addressed from these four aspects. This part provides a summary of our research findings regarding the role of EA in supporting AI-driven digital transformation. Literature can be divided into three categories. So for the first one, it's about EA, AI, and digital transformations. There are 6 out of 11 papers that can be considered as highly overlap with our research question, which discuss all three key concepts. They proposed a various AI-involved EA model to explain how the structure can support digital transformation, such as the data architecture, intelligent systems architecture model, reference model. Among the 6 papers, we find that the 3 of them confirm the significant role of AI in the intelligent systems regarding the digital transformation, which can be a powerful tool to embed into a manufacturing process. And the remaining literature also reflects the research question topic by considering EA impact on digital transformation. 4 papers here discuss the relationship between general EA approaches and the digitalization, Among us, we noticed that the importance of ensuring the interoperability in the EA structure has been mentioned. The rest of the paper all highlights the contribution of the TOGAF to offer proven frameworks and methodology for the enterprises. In terms of the effective implementation of AI strategy for digitalization, the paper suggests that the AI application can be used to optimize the manufacturing process. Notably, it proposed an implementation framework to bridge the gap, starting from the scope establishment and ending with a customer consideration. We consider that the connection between EA strategy planning and strategy implementation is another crucial factor for successful digitalization. As a result of the review, we have developed understanding on several EA models that can be used in practice for the manufacturing process. Based on the analysis of the 11 paper, we have identified the two key areas where EA can contribute significantly to digital transformation. Those are the first one indicates that various functional architecture structures can be built into the organization as stated, and a systematic EA framework can guide relevant digital transformation deployment. Also, we further concluded from those literature that the implementation of various frameworks can be divided into two phases of use. First is the architecture design, and the second is the architecture implementation, which combine to contribute a successful digital transformation. EA strategy formulation in this context should we consider the different focus for various phases and perspectives, building on the literature discussion. It is inspiring that the EA framework mentioned in the selected paper can be properly identified and fits in the right position in the TOGAF ADM circle, such as a reference model, the business model, information systems, and the technical architectures. Accordingly, TOGAF can be used as a guidance for the EA design and the further implementations.
Thank you, Jingyang. In order to support digital transformation, there are also several other critical factors to consider for enterprise architecture. Firstly, using EA building blocks allow business to choose the most appropriate blocks for their solutions and achieve digital transformation without being tied to specific products or services. Secondly, enable interoperability between humans and machines. Successful interoperability empowers enterprises to enhance efficiency, reduce redundancy, and manage transformation process with higher proficiency. Thirdly, ensure business and IT alignment. Consistency between the business and the IT unit is critical for successful transformation. Alignment is necessary when integrating different architectures, such as edge cloud collaboration with existing systems like quality management. And last but not least, companies should always look beyond individual IT implementation. While AI applications are powerful, they have limitations in industrial environment. It is important to consider all relevant factors comprehensively rather than rely solely on AI tools. There are also some benefits of implementing AI in manufacturing company. Customization. AI can allow manufacturers to better know the needs of customers and customizing products to meet their needs. Increase efficiency. AI can give suggestions for production process to reduce downtime and optimize resource allocation. Monitor and manage quality. AI can help manufacturers to monitor the production line, identify defects, and analyze root causes for improvements. Automations. It allows automation equipment to perform more complex tasks and help manufacturers to save labor costs. On the other hand, digital transformation poses several challenges that must address. One prominent challenge is effectively managing vendor variety during the integration of multiple systems and technologies. Also, integrating AI introduces complexities in planning and technical interoperability, and it requires additional capabilities and infrastructure from the organization. Organizational and cultural hurdles will also arise, such as unclean regions and resistant changes from staff.
In this section, we're going to discuss about recommendations. First, we recommend adopting TOGAF ADM to guide EA development. Based on the previous discussion, TOGAF ADM is well suited for EA development and implementation for AI-related smart manufacturing. 8 generic phases in TOGAF ADM can provide practical guidance for architectural development. During the process, it's recommended that doing the continuous validation checks against the initial expectation to ensure that EA evolves in line with the company's expectation and the best practice. In the phase of business architecture, information system architecture, and technical architecture, industry should use the common framework offered by the reference model, which designed for the different types of technical, information system, and business components. Also, due to the open nature of TOGAF, industry should also modify the reference model according to their characters. Second, consider the potential combination and implications while integrating AI. Generally, collaborating AI with other components can better achieve the intended outcome than developing AI application individually. For example, organization could introduce an AI-involved edge cloud-based architecture, which can be considered as a combination of AI and cloud computing technology, integrating and updating data on the cloud platform for future desired intelligent analysis. Another instance is embedding AI-driven analysis into the enterprise system to facilitate the data calculation and automation for the manufacturing industry. Moreover, industry also should consider the potential impacts that AI has on the industry EA environment, conduct regular tests and evaluation, and follow TOGAF ADM practice, developing the target architecture description before making any impulsive changes to avoid the unwanted disruption. Third, in order to improve the data processing, it's recommended to build a suitable data architecture which could provide standards and guidance for data management. For example, when processing data, do not handle it within a single scope, like only in a business scope. That will limit data reusability and impede digital transformation. It's recommended that enterprise could define a clear data handling process that improve data reusability, data security, and data quality.
Finally, let me briefly summarize the main points we've covered. We started by discussing the great potential of AI integration in manufacturing companies and the importance of EA as a comprehensive framework for addressing its challenges. By reviewing 11 existing literature, we answered the research question by describing how EA can provide support in several ways, including offering a generalized perspective to analyze various aspects of AI influence, providing frameworks to facilitate intelligent system management, guiding data management through data architecture, helping manage the combination of AI with other technology to enhance the overall capability. We also highlighted 4 key benefits of AI adoption, which are customization, efficiency, quality assurance, and automation, and then covered the key challenges, such as managing vendor variety and additional technical requirements to set up AI. In the end, based on the review, we recommended manufacturing companies to adopt TOGAF ADM approach to develop and implement EA. Consider AI implementation's influence for other components within the enterprise and build an appropriate data architecture. We acknowledge that our reference literature scope is limited. It does not account for the entire variety of industry segmentations and might be subject to all the bias. But these limitations are inherent or unavoidable due to limited assignment timeframe and do not compromise the validity of our findings. Thank you for listening.